Why do I have a feeling Jamie had a better win rate when he was trading the traditional Mogwai strategy compared to the Mogwai reversal strategy?
You know what? This person's got a point. In today's video, we're going to be talking all about the Mogwai strategy. Why was it created? Why do we trade it? And why should you trade it going forward? So enjoy today's video. Right, no joke. If I told you that I did 7 months without a single loss, 1,000 trades in a row, not a single loss, you'd probably think that I'm lying and I'm a scammer. And the simple answer is yes, I am lying. I actually got a 98% win ratio for 7 months. I got 6 losses in 7 months. And I tell you who did get a 100% win ratio, a BD member called Mark. So basically, during COVID, okay, when the whole world was in lockdown, everyone's panicking and you couldn't leave your house, my trading was insane. So basically, me and Mark, for a bit of fun during COVID, decided, I know, let's have some fun. What else are we going to do? We can't do anything else. We're stuck inside. And the only thing that was open was the FOREX market, which was kind of a win-win, really. I said, let's do a challenge. Let's try and do 1,000 winning trades in a row. And I swear to God, everyone's like, it's impossible. Like, you're thinking now, I mean, look at the videos. There'll be a video going across the screen now of a video of the results, okay? So me and Mark said, let's do 1,000 winning trades in a row. Now, I actually managed a 98% win ratio. I think 6 losses in 7 months. Mark did it. Mark did 1,000 winning trades in a row. And that was all from the power of the Mogwai strategy. Such an insane strategy. I can't tell you, right? There is no other strategy out there that comes close to the Mogwai strategy. Comes close. When you actually look at the statistics of some of the best traders that trade it, me, Mark, a few others as well, who I'm not going to mention because they don't really want to be on. They don't really want their name mentioned because don't want to get harassed with emails and messages. The results just. You can't, there's nothing, like I said, if I told you I did 7 months without a single loss, you'd be like, the guy's full of rubbish. The guy's been like eating bananas or something. Honestly, it's true. So we're going to jump on the charts now and we're going to go over the Mogwai strategy. So what I have in front of me now is the Mogwai strategy. Now, I actually traded this strategy on Friday. I just want to show you my results. Because Mogwai strategy, because I absolutely smashed it. Some of the trades today from the BD members, trading the Mogwai strategy. As you can see here, quick 5 pips on GU. Let me just show you. So I actually traded this strategy on Friday. Okay, we're going to start off here. Okay, so go to message. I mean, I literally smashed it. Look at this. So nice little buy. First trade GPJPY, second trade GPJPY, watched that one before, more gold, again nice little sell, Mogwai signal, TCA line turns red just there, you ready? Bang, drop, thank you very much, another little buy there, more money made, literally look, I started my trading session at 11:30 and by 12:30 I've already got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trades. Okay, another one, you ready? Before, after, again more trades Euro USD, more trades USD CAD. I think, look, again nice little buy, beautiful buy. I actually took a back-to-back sell, look at that one. Okay, again more profit. And then I finished it on gold. Done. Go to message. TP hit on gold. Speak later. Absolute monster. Done. Have a lovely weekend. The power of the Mogwai strategy. Now, why does this work so good? I'll tell you a little secret. Okay? And this is essentially why London Open wins as well. Because London Open uses Mogwai arrows as well. Most Mogwai signals will go 5 pips. Okay, look at this one here. Okay, I mean that's a loss, but look at this one here. That one went 10 pips. Okay, so this one here, that one went 5 pips, as you can see at the top there. Again, this one went clearly 5 pips there. This one went 5 pips. That one went 5 pips. I think that one's a loss. That one clearly went 5 pips. I find you one more. Okay, you've got another one at the top just there. Okay, soon as we close below the TCA line, 5 pips. Soon as we close below the TCA line, 5 pips. So most Mogwai signals go 5 pips. But you can't just trade the Mogwai signals, okay? It's just not going to work like that because, you know, yes, you might win 10, 15 trades at 5 pips, but where'd you put your stop loss? That's the problem. When you line this up, though, with support and resistance, it is an absolute game changer. And let me explain to you why. So essentially, the Mogwai strategy rules are this. Mogwai signal, MACD overbought or sold, and then we enter the trade either when the MACD crosses over each other or the TCA line, which is this one here, turns red. Okay, we take a sell for 5 pips or 10 pips, 1 to 1, 1 to 2, it's up to you. Okay, 5, 10 pips is what most people tend to do. Now, you can either enter on the arrow, you can enter on the MACD, you can enter on the TCA line. Hey, it's up to you, okay? The more you spend doing this, the more you'll get better at it, okay? Now, we also use support and resistance with this strategy. Again, nothing complicated, basic support and resistance. And I'm going to tell you the little secret now with support and resistance. So if we go to 15-minute charts now, okay, what we are essentially doing is a top-down analysis, okay? Marking up support and resistance, wait for a Mogwai signal at that support and resistance level, take a trade, 5 or 10 pips. Watch this, okay? When it comes to support and resistance, it is an absolute fact, and I can't say 100%, I'll say 99% of the time, you will get a reaction around support and resistance levels, okay? Price might not bounce off support and resistance, it might break it, but you will get a reaction from it. You will. To give you an example here, okay, look at this here, okay? You have a little level just there, okay? But look at this. We got a reaction, and it's this tiny reaction that when we line it up with the Mogwai strategy, bang, winner, winner, chicken dinner. Give you an example here. That little wick or that candlestick, 5 pips. That one candlestick, 5 pips. Done. In and out. Done. Okay, look at this little support line at the bottom just here. Okay, just there. Okay, let me just, I need to mute the Telegram group. I can't mute it. But anyway, okay, again, support line, wick. Look at that little wick. That wick from the bottom to the top, 5 pips. Done. In and out. No messing about. Again, look at that reaction at the top here. Right? A lot of people says, oh, but what, these wicks here, look, eventually broke it. Yeah, valid. This resistance got broken here. It got broken. But there's so many opportunities. If you got a Mogwai signal here, oh, make it black, give me a sec. If you had a Mogwai signal here, you would have got 5 pips. You had a Mogwai signal here, you would have got 5 pips. You had a Mogwai signal here, you would have got 5 pips. When you put the 2 and 2 together, it's game over. It's literally game over, okay? Now, again, essentially, this is how the market will always move, right? I'm not interested in predicting big swing trades. I'm just interested in getting in and getting out. This is perfect for scalpers, okay? The market only ever moves 3 ways. It goes sideways, okay? It will go into an uptrend, or it will go into a downtrend, okay? And essentially, when that happens, let me find you a currency pair that trends quite a lot. Okay, here we go here. What you'll always get is you'll always get break and retouches like this here. All the time, right? All the time. So just looking at this setup here, what you'll have here is you'll have an uptrend, a pullback, an uptrend, a pullback, okay? An uptrend. And just in this one move, look at the reactions you get from this level, okay? Now, obviously, this here would probably be a loss, okay? You might get a Mogwai signal here, you might not, I'm not sure. But look how price comes back down to retouch it. That small move just here, let me just mute this Telegram group. So I had to mute the Telegram group. But basically, right, look at that tiny move here. All again, 5 or 10 pips, done. Again, look at this one. Here's a very interesting one. See here, right? You see how we got an area of resistance just there? Okay, now eventually price broke it. That's fair enough. But that move, that tiny move there on the 1 minute time frame is enough. I mean, that's 11 pips. That's 11 pips, right? You would have got 1 or you would have got 2 back-to-back setups here. That is it. that you were not moving markets here. We're not predicting, to the exact pip, and we're not going, wow, look at this big move that I predicted. It's literally just sitting and waiting, marking up our levels, and then bang. I've got to go back to the Telegram group. But let me give you an example here, right? Let me just give you an example here. Mogwai strategy here, and then we will review some of the trades. But again, right? Again, hold on here. Let me just, I'm going to put this down here. Here we go here. Watch this. Ready? Look. Mogwai signal. Bang. Done. That is all it needs to be. Let me show you a sample now. I would do some live trading with this, but the time now is 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I've been on my charts literally. I've literally been trading with the BD members all this morning. London Open one as well. So I don't want to do any trading today or any more trading. But let me just show you a particular setup that we'd be looking at. Okay. So again, okay, all of these setups went for 5 pips, but only one of these we would actually take. Okay. Which one would we actually take? I'd probably take none of them because the MACD's not gone oversold. Or this one here, the MACD has gone oversold just here and the MAC just there. So what I normally do is when I get a trade that meets all of the rules, MACD oversold, Mogwai signal, I then mark up this area here. Okay, so let me just go to some price action. Let me just go to, hold on, let me get rid of that here. Okay, let me get rid of that here. I'm going to go to some naked charts here. And I'm just going to mark up this level just there. Give me a sec here. I'm just going to mark up this level here. If this is with 15-minute support line, I'll take the trade. No messing about. Oh, lo and behold, it's with, look at that. Look at that. Look at that there. Okay, so it's at a support line. Okay, where's that set up? It was just there. So now I'm putting 2 and 2 together. I've got a Mogwai signal. I've got the MACD oversold. I've now got a 15-minute support line. Like I'm putting myself the best opportunity of winning this trade. Does the trade go 5 pips? Of course, if I didn't get 5 pips there, I would have got 5 pips up there. That was 10 pip move, okay? A slight bit of drawdown, but again, 10 pip stop loss, 10 pip take profit. How would you want to play it? It's totally up to you, okay? Let's do one more. Let's do one more, okay? So, Mogwai strategy here. Okay, just done Euro USD. Let's do USD CAD. Let's look at USD CAD. Okay, sorry, I had to mute the Telegram channel again. My God, is active. Today is active in the group, and it just pings at me 24/7. So let's go to the Mogwai strategy now, USD CAD. Okay, we're going to find the first setup that meets the rules. Okay, so we've got 2 setups. We've got 1 setup here. I wouldn't count this one because both the MACD has to go overboard. I wouldn't count that one. Okay, have I got a setup at the bottom here? No, so we've got 1 setup here. We've got multiple Mogwai signals here. Okay, MACD's clearly gone overboard. Okay, no messing about. It meets the rules. Okay, it's clearly against the trend. But watch this. Okay, we're going to follow the rules of the strategy. We're going to mark up this area here, just there. Was it just there? Yes, it was. We're going to go to the 15-minute charts. Look at this. Bang. See what I said? Again, we're not expecting to move markets, okay? But we got, this trade here, 16 pips. Done. You would have easily got 5 or 10 pips out of that. You've got an area of resistance. You've got a Mogwai signal. Bang. There you go. That's how you smash it, mate. You literally, if we go back to the setup here, okay, if we go back to the setup here, where do we enter the trade? Again, when the TCA line turns red, when the MACD starts to cross over just there. So here would be your entry point. 10 pip stop loss, 10 pip take profit. If you want to go for 5 pips, would you have got 5 pips? Just 5 pips, and then it would have reversed and gone 9 pips, okay? Again, it depends how you want to play it. You can either go for 1-to-1, 10 pip stop loss, 10 pip take profit, or you just go for 5 pips, stack the trade. I mean, that one would have won, okay? Let's just do one more. Let's just do one more. So USD JPY, same again, okay? We're going to go to the Mogwai strategy here. We'll find the last trade. Okay, bang, we've got a trade right here. Watch this. Okay, live trade. We're just crossing over on the MACD, 15-minute charts. Watch this. Watch this. I'll take this on my phone. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Uh-oh. Right, give me a sec. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Gotta find my phone. Sorry, I'm back. Hello, I'm back. Right, okay, so I've took a trade on USD/JPY, okay? USD/JPY, okay? We're going to go for 5 or 10 pips if we can. I've entered it very late. Basically, the whole point of the Mogwai strategy is you enter it really fast, okay? So, again, MACD's gone overbought. Mogwai signal, TCA lines just turned red. Man, I'm well and fit. I've just had to run up the stairs. Okay, we go to the 15-minute charts. What do we see? We see an area of resistance. Look at that. Look at that, okay? It is slightly against the trend. How do I know it's against the trend? Well, it's come down. It's come up. Looks like it's breaking it here. But again, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. We're not moving markets here. We are just getting in and out, okay? So let me just go back to the 1 minute time frame, okay? Again, I'm looking for 5 or 10 pips from this level, okay? See how it's starting to drop, okay? We're currently already 5, look, there you go, 4.5 pips, 5 pips. So 5 pips already. I've entered this trade very late, okay? I'm 25 pips up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to close it off here, okay? Done. Just to show you, okay, these are all my trades today. Look, today. Okay, I'll show you the week. There's my week. There's my week. 3,000. These are all the trades I took. Okay, I'll show you today. Bang. There was that last trade. Hold on. Where's today? There you go. USD/JPY. That USD/JPY at the bottom. Sell. I made 25 quid. But I've entered this trade late. Okay, because if I normally enter here, what I tend to do, as soon as the TCA line turns red or just before, normally I get in just before. Because if you trade the Mogwai strategy every single day, you learn what you get. If you zoom out here, what you get is you get a Mogwai signal. Then you'll start to see the MACD turning. You start to see how it's flattened out. And then you know it's going to start to turn. Starts to cross over each other, TCA line starts to turn red. You're already 2 or 3 candlesticks ahead. You already know this is going to happen. And then what happens? Bang, boom, 6 pips, done. Thank you very much. You might get 10 pips for this. You go for 10 pip stop loss, 10 pip take profit. Normally, you know, depending my mood, depending how I feel, I would literally scalp it in and out. Now, why should you trade this going forward? So trading the Mogwai strategy will help you a lot with confidence building when it comes to trading, okay? What we're doing here with the Mogwai strategy is focusing realistically on turning points with structure, okay? So marking up structure, waiting for a Mogwai signal and seeing how it reacts from this level. Look at the rejection wicks. Look at the MACD crossing over. Look at the TCA line turning. This is telling us when reversals are happening, and it will help you a lot with building confidence up on the charts. Also, because we're scalping here, you have to get in and out very quick. So it's quick decision making, okay? It builds confidence up. You know, it's not sitting here going, do I take the trade? Do I not? Because if you already thought that, it's too late, okay? It will help you to always try and be 2 or 3 steps ahead of the market. And when you build up that confidence and you get confident in trading the Mogwai strategy, it's one after another. It comes second nature. Mogwai signal, support and resistance, MACD's crossed over, TCA line turns red, bang, enter the trade, okay? Sometimes as well, price will touch the TCA line. It will touch the TCA line and then drop. That's normal, happens most times, okay? If you go back in the charts here, I'll try and find you a setup here. Okay, so price has come down here, again here. Price normally bounces off the TCA line. Okay, so, you know, sometimes when price starts pulling back, don't panic. It's not the end of the world, okay? But it helps build up confidence. I would recommend doing it. It will help you learn about support and resistance as well. Why don't I trade this? Now, next question. why don't I trade this? I do still trade this strategy. However, I've said this year, my goal this year, if you know my first video that I ever made, this year I want to make my trading a lot more simpler and easier. Hence why I'm spending a lot of time trading London Open, just taking an arrow, no price action, just take an arrow, and I'm building EAs. I also trade this as well. I also trade the Mogwai reversal strategy, but I have a lot of strategies I can trade, okay? And it just depends on the day that I'm trading. If I want a bit of fun and excitement like Friday, I'll trade the Mogwai strategy. If I'm a bit lazy and I just want to kind of just do some emails while watching the charts, I'll trade the Mogwai reversal. So I'm going to leave it there. As you can see, price is pulled back slightly. It will probably bounce off the EMA and drop again, but it doesn't matter, guys. We're already in and out. Who cares? We've already made money. Job's a good one. So I'm going to leave that there. Hope you enjoyed today's video. My name is Jamie Palmer.